I've had a couple of emails recently where people have asked about the step in our Romy top where you attach the strap in between the outer shell and the facing. So we thought we'd do a little tutorial just to demonstrate another method different to the one we've used in the booklet that will make it easier for some. And we've done a little mock-up. Just notice that we've got wider straps in this, but you can of course do the bias straps in the booklet. These ones are straight cut fold-in straps. So in the original instructions we have you joining the side seams before attaching the straps. We're going to try a different step and have the straps attached before joining the side seams. So we've got side seams open on the front and the back, and we've attached the straps to the front and to the back. For the tutorial we've got the facing in a contrast, so we then pin the facing along the neck edge with right sides together and sandwiching the strap in between, and we're going to take the seam allowance of 1/4 inch and sew across the top. And of course understitch at the top of the front and back facings, catching the seam allowance at the back. Now we have the front and front facing and straps attached to the back and back facing. It's time to join the armhole edge. With right sides together, prepare to pin the armholes. As you can see, the armhole edge on the front has the tearaway Vilene, and the armhole edge on the facing looks a little bit bigger because it doesn't have the tearaway, so you'll have to ease this area when pinning together. So now we've got the facing and outer front pinned together. Make sure that the seam allowance is pushed towards the facing side. After we've sewn around the armhole, we're going to turn the facing out and push the seam allowance towards the facing and understitch around the armhole. Tear away the Vilene shields. There's no need to remove the Vilene from inside the seam allowance. This will give the armhole extra support and will be covered by the facing. We have the front, the strap attached to the back. Now we have to join the sides together. The instructions will have this edge already overlocked. So with right sides together of outer shell and facings pinned together, take 1/2 inch seam allowance. Final step is lining up the side seams of the facing and the top together and catch with a few stitches in the side seam. And you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to see more, let us know in the comments.